In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit transactions in QuickBooks. If you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced or the Accountant version, there's a built-in tool that can save you a lot of time when you need to update multiple transactions at once. This is especially useful if several expenses or invoices were posted to the wrong account, or if you need to change the class or location across a group of transactions without opening each one individually. To begin, go into QuickBooks Online and open the Reclassify Transactions tool. You can get there in one of two ways. Either click the gear icon, which is your settings menu, or click the New button, then select Reclassify Transactions. This tool is designed specifically for making bulk changes, so it's the fastest option when you're cleaning up bookkeeping entries in batches. Once the tool is open, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the type of accounts you want to review. From the Account Types drop-down, select either Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet. This choice helps QuickBooks narrow down the list of transactions you're working with, so make sure you pick the category that matches the entries you want to change. After that, select the account that currently contains the transactions you want to modify. For example, if several expenses were recorded under the wrong expense account, this is where you would choose that account so QuickBooks can display the related transactions. Taking a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct account can help prevent accidental changes. Next, review the list of transactions and check the boxes next to the specific items you want to edit. Be selective here and make sure only the intended transactions are marked. Since this is a batch process, any change you make will apply to all selected entries. When your transactions are selected, click Reclassify, or in some versions, Modify. Then choose the new account or class you want to assign. If your company uses locations, this is also where you can update that information as needed. This step is what actually tells QuickBooks how to recategorize the selected transactions. Finally, click Apply to confirm the changes. QuickBooks will update all selected transactions at once, which can save a significant amount of manual work and help keep your records accurate and consistent. As a best practice, it's a good idea to quickly review the updated transactions afterward to make sure everything moved exactly where you intended. And that's how to batch edit transactions in QuickBooks using the Reclassify Transactions tool.